What's inside?
A little bit.
You need help? Open.
It's...
A teapot. Look, Peyton, here's a plate. And the food goes on there. Cups. Watch, Peyton, look. It's a teapot you pour. Ready? Your turn. Can I have some tea? Can you give Mommy some?
Yes.
Yes? Can you drink it? Good job. Here, give Mommy some tea. Psh. Good job. Say psh.